Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on influencer marketing in 2023. I'm excited to share some tips and strategies with you that will help you achieve success as an influencer marketer. But before we get started, let me share an anecdote with you. Last year, a friend of mine started a small business selling organic skincare products. She struggled to find customers, and her sales were disappointing. One day, I suggested that she partner with an influencer to promote her products on social media. She was hesitant at first, but after some research, she agreed to give it a try. To her surprise, the influencer campaign was a huge success. She gained many new customers, and her sales skyrocketed. This experience showed me how powerful influencer marketing can be, and I believe that with the right approach, anyone can achieve success. So, what exactly is influencer marketing, and how can you succeed at it? According to recent research, influencer marketing is projected to be a $13.8 billion industry by 2023, which is a 42% increase from 2019. This means that more and more brands are recognizing the value of influencer marketing, and there is a huge opportunity for influencers to capitalize on this trend. Here are some tips and strategies that can help you succeed in influencer marketing in 2023. Know your audience. One of the most important things you can do as an influencer is to understand your audience. Who are they, what are their interests, and what kind of content do they engage with? By understanding your audience, you can create content that resonates with them and builds trust and loyalty. Knowing your audience is crucial for success in influencer marketing. When you know who your followers are, what they like, and what kind of content they engage with, you can create content that resonates with them and builds trust and loyalty. Here are some ways to understand your audience better. Conduct research. Start by conducting research on your audience. Use analytics tools to gather data on your followers, such as demographics, interests, and behaviors. This will give you insights into who your followers are and what they like. Engage with your followers. Engage with your followers through comments, direct messages, and surveys. Ask them questions about their interests, what kind of content they enjoy, and what they would like to see more of. This will help you tailor your content to their preferences. Analyze your content. Analyze your content to see what performs well and what doesn't. Look at metrics such as views, likes, shares, and comments to see which posts are resonating with your audience. Use this information to create more content that your audience will enjoy. Keep up with trends. Keep up with trends in your niche and on social media in general. This will help you stay relevant and create content that is timely and engaging. You can use tools like Google Trends or social media monitoring tools to stay on top of trends. When you know your audience well, you can create content that is more effective at achieving your goals. For example, if you're promoting a product, you can create content that showcases the product in a way that resonates with your audience. If you're trying to grow your following, you can create content that is shareable and appeals to your target audience. In summary, knowing your audience is essential for success in influencer marketing. By understanding your audience, you can create content that resonates with them, builds trust and loyalty, and achieves your goals. So, take the time to research your audience, engage with them, analyze your content, and keep up with trends to create content that connects with your audience and achieves your goals. Be authentic. Authenticity is key to success in influencer marketing. Your audience can quickly tell when you're not being genuine, and this can damage your reputation and credibility. So, be true to yourself and your values, and avoid promoting products or services that you don't believe in. Being authentic is one of the most crucial factors that can help you succeed in influencer marketing. Your audience can quickly spot when you're not being genuine, and this can damage your reputation and credibility. In today's world, where social media has become a powerful tool for influencing people, authenticity is key. Here are some tips on how to be authentic in influencer marketing. Stay true to yourself. The first step to being authentic is to stay true to yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not or pretend to have beliefs that you don't actually hold. Your audience can quickly sense when you're not being genuine, so it's important to be true to your values and beliefs. Choose brands and products you believe in. As an influencer, you'll likely be approached by numerous brands and companies to promote their products or services. It's important to only choose brands and products that you believe in and use yourself. This will help you maintain your credibility and authenticity. Be transparent. Be transparent with your audience about sponsored posts or any partnerships you have with brands. This will help your audience understand that you're being paid to promote a product and can help maintain their trust. Use your own voice. Use your own voice and tone when creating content. Don't try to copy someone else's style or personality. Your unique voice is what sets you apart from other influencers, and it's what your audience loves about you. Share your own experiences. Share your own experiences with products or services you're promoting. This can help your audience see how the product has helped you and can help them understand why you're promoting it. In summary, being authentic is essential for success in influencer marketing. It's important to stay true to yourself, choose brands and products you believe in, be transparent, use your own voice, and share your own experiences. By following these tips, you can maintain your credibility and build a loyal following that trusts and respects you. Build relationships. Building strong relationships with brands is essential to long-term success as an influencer. Be proactive in reaching out to brands that align with your values and niche, and work to establish a mutually beneficial partnership. This can lead to ongoing collaborations and sponsorships that can help you grow your brand and audience. Building strong relationships with brands is a crucial component of long-term success as an influencer. As an influencer, you can be proactive in reaching out to brands that align with your values and niche. By taking the initiative to introduce yourself, you can start to establish a rapport and demonstrate your potential value as a partner. Once you have identified brands that you would like to work with, it's important to begin building a mutually beneficial partnership. This can involve reaching out to brands with a pitch or proposal, showcasing your unique strengths and outlining how you can help them achieve their marketing objectives. As you begin collaborating with brands, it's important to maintain open lines of communication and to be responsive to their needs. This can include providing regular updates on the progress of a campaign or providing feedback on content or marketing strategies. By demonstrating your commitment to the brand, you can build trust and establish a strong foundation for ongoing partnerships. Over time, your collaborations with brands can lead to sponsorships and other opportunities that can help you grow your brand and audience. By consistently delivering high-quality content and demonstrating your value as a partner, you can build a reputation as a reliable and effective influencer, opening the door to even more lucrative opportunities in the future. Building strong relationships with brands requires proactive outreach, effective communication, and a commitment to delivering value. By establishing mutually beneficial partnerships, you can grow your brand, expand your audience, and achieve long-term success as an influencer. Stay up to date. The world of influencer marketing is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. Attend industry events, read blogs and articles, and connect with other influencers to stay informed and inspired. Conclusion. So, there you have it, some tips and strategies for success in influencer marketing in 2023. Remember to know your audience, be authentic, build relationships, and stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve success as an influencer and help brands reach their target audience. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.